About vaginal dryness. This video, I'm going to tell you why you should not have sex when you're dry, okay, and the causes of vaginal dryness and the remedy, treatment, or cure of vaginal dryness. So please listen attentively. First of all, why you should not have sex when you're dry, no matter what, don't. Okay, the person, you should try. There are other ways to get wet. The rate of infection increases when you're dry. Okay, when you're dry, there's the rate of infection increases, UTI and some other infection. That's one. Number two, you're likely to bleed due to lacerations, or as the person is trying to force himself, the tissues in the vagina can tear, and you can get sores, you can get infected, you can get pains. Okay, these are the reasons why. And you can even get the sex will not be pleasurable. You will have pains while the sex is going on. So what is the need of having sex when you're dry, when you're not going to enjoy it? Okay, so let's talk about the causes of vaginal dryness. Number one causes of vaginal dryness is not being sexually aroused. Okay, most of the times our men these days, especially in Africa, I don't know about the other parts of the nation, of the country, in Africa, most men don't even have that time to make their women get wet. They just go in, and they just, once they're hard, or maybe the lady just wants to have fun and starts, touching and caressing his man. And once the man is hard, immediately he goes in. How can the woman get wet? So these are the non-sexually aroused is one of the reasons of vaginal dryness. Breastfeeding is another reason for vaginal dryness. During breastfeeding, the estrogen level is low, and most women they complain. Most women complain after I gave birth 3-4 months. I'm breastfeeding, and I find out that I don't even produce liquid again, and my husband is complaining. Most of the times, this is normal. Breastfeeding can cause vaginal dryness. So just hold on, let your husband try to do some things to make you aroused. Okay, some people might be aroused but still they are dry. Okay, this is where another cause comes in: menopause. Okay, during menopause, the estrogen level, which is responsible for the lubrication, is low. Okay, is low. So during menopausal women are always dry. They complain of vaginal dryness. There is also a remedy which I'm going to mention, so don't worry about that. Okay, so this is another cause of vaginal dryness. Is there some medications the lady might be on, like antihistamine or contraceptive. Another cause is there some autoimmune diseases that can make this happen. Okay, which other cause? Okay, as we go along, I may remember. And so what to do? Let's go get down quickly. Now, number one is sexual arousal. Your partner, take sex easy. Take sex easy. Okay, there's no need to rush. To my beautiful men out there, my handsome guys, take it easy on your partner. Don't just rush to opening and rushing. Okay, it's all this thing has to do with emotions and hormones. Okay, so another cause is hormonal imbalance. I beg your pardon. Okay, so of vaginal dryness. So that's number one, sexual arousing. Take your time. Most people might want to watch talk about the sex, talk about naughty things, be naughty, be naughty on the bed, be naughty. You guys should talk about everything. Okay, most people engage in watching adult movies. I don't know, depending on how your faith works, but it makes, most of the times it makes a woman very, very horny. Okay, another one is the use of, if you're a menopausal woman, which is most of the times the vaginal dryness caused by menopause and reduction of estrogen. You can get estrogen creams, rings and gels, and even prescription drugs. Okay, that's you need to meet your healthcare provider to tell you this. Meet your gynecologist, they will prescribe for you. You can just, once you put it inside, some are even inserted in the anus, you get drip, you start getting wet. It all depends on the amount of hormones that are not estrogen. So this is them, okay, that will deal with it. Hormonal imbalance, this, your healthcare provider will also tell you what to do, also bring about the option that is better. Okay, water, please drink water. Water helps a lot because the wetness is about water. Okay, try to drink a lot of water. hydrate, okay? Take lots of fruits, you know, but water is the number one thing. And if you have any underlying condition, needs to be treated, okay, most of the times. And then take it easy. Like I said earlier, there are people that just started having sex. You just need to calm down. You will not get wet immediately, okay? If it's your fourth time or fifth time, just take it easy. Is try to lubricate during sex, okay, to avoid tears and painful sex. Just you can use natural oil like flaxseed oil, coconut oil, but then be careful, because this natural oil breaks the condom during sex, okay, especially except you're not menopausal, okay, but if you're except you're menopausal, I beg your pardon, but if you're of a childbearing age, just use water-based lubricants. It can help you have a good quality sex life. Exercise and feel happy. Then the most important, get sexually aroused very well. Men should try as much as they can to make their woman feel sexually aroused before penetrating. It causes a lot of pain, okay? So that is it about them. There are some aphrodisiac fruits like grontula and some of them, pineapple. I don't know about pineapple, but I know about grontula, okay? You can get them. And thank you for this video. Please share, like. Did you like the video you just watched? Please make sure you comment, like, and share. It's going to make me to do more. And again, please, if there's anything I didn't do well, if there's anywhere I need to improve, please make sure you comment respectfully.